About 71% of managers said in the wake of insufficient support from organizations, especially around childcare, this challenge made the reintegration phases less smoother. MUMBAI, even as companies are vying for gender diversity, they struggle to fill talent gaps created in the event of maternity continuum of women employees, says a report. Companies face big challenges in such cases with women workforce as they find it difficult to arrange alternative resources to replace with. The biggest concern most managers, 95%, have that if an employee announces her pregnancy then had to build an alternate resource equivalent in talent to fill in for her unanticipated temporary absence, according to Avatar Group's Viewport 2018, a Maternity Management in Corporate India report. Maternity continuum refers to the phases of maternity that a woman professional goes through in the event of pregnancy. While 88% of women felt that, in the absence of guidance and support from mentors, managing uncertainty was a huge challenge, especially when there were health challenges involved. Viewport 2018 report is an outcome of a focus group discussion conducted among 275 working mothers and 150 corporate leaders in India by diversion and inclusion consultants Avatar Group. The report further revealed that companies also face uncertainty on whether or not the employee will continue in the organization after announcing her pregnancy. Apprehensions about her health and the need for a temporary succession plan to ensure business continuity are amongst their worries, the report said. About 61% of managers felt that this was a huge challenge impacting business continuity, especially when the woman employee was in client-facing roles or was not an individual contributor. While 59% of women said the aftermath of unplanned leaves was huge and put additional stress on them, it said. Employers feel unsure of acceptance of the employee on her return after pregnancy and are skeptical if she will return to the same role or not. Companies felt that managers also have to manage her workload, which means delegating work of the employee to others in the same team that if not well planned might result in overloading them, the report added. It revealed that managers also find themselves in dilemma on when to start preparing an employee to return from maternity. The reintegration process also poses the challenge of preparing her team that is now getting used to not having her around, it added. So, it said, to make reintegration smoother, managers usually end up reducing maternity returners' responsibilities or change their roles that would ease up their work-related pressure. About 71% of managers said in the wake of insufficient support from organizations, especially around childcare, this challenge made the reintegration phases less smoother. In some cases, the report revealed that managers end up overlooking underperformance of a new mother without communicating the same to her, not wanting to add more to their work-life integration worries, even at the risk of hampering team effectiveness. Further, it said that while managers are open to provide the option of flexible working hours to maternity returners, it becomes a challenge if it is not supported by organizational policy. In roles that require team effort, the manager also needs to sensitize other team members about collaborating with this flexible worker, the report added. India Inc. sees rise in talent gap. In cybersecurity skills, report goes increasingly opting for flexi staff to fill talent gap. Communication schools are hoping to plug talent gap. News start at old company, firms rehire to fill talent gap.